Welcome. So now let's go ahead and see how can we operate for our Git operations via Visual Studio Code Editor so that we don't have to use this kind of terminal or Git bash. So I will close the terminal. So what I can do is first I am having in my local only one branch like this one, and I see here now automatically it has pulled another branch called development also. But if it has not pulled, then you should come here under this icon, and now from this three dots we can say do all the operations like git remote, or from here also in the remote we can pull. From here we can say pull fetch all, we can say fetch all remote. So it's going to, as soon as we click fetch, it's going to fetch all the changes if there are any, but if there are no changes it will not fetch anything. So we here see there are two branches now on our server, but on our local there is only one branch master, but on our server it says origin master remote branch, origin development remote branch. When I say server, it's here. That's what we see, two branches. Now if I have to switch between the branch, so I can go here, and here I can click at the corner, and I can say just click on this branch. So now it has become development branch. But let's say if I have to switch from the command line, the new terminal, I can use the command also. I can say git checkout and the branch name. So now I am in development, and let's say if I have to go to master, I will say master. So now it has changed to master. If I have to go back to development, I can say git checkout development. So now it should change to development. Oh, there's a spelling mistake. Development VE. So it says switch to branch development. So you see it changed to development now. Now let's say I will go to my source code and do some modification. Let's say I will delete this file. And now I will also delete this test file, or I will leave the test file. I will just say test files modified. And now I don't want to do any operation from here, rather I will come here, and here I can see the changes. Here it says there's some changes here. So as soon as I click on this file, it's going to show me that this is the old file which is on the server, and this is the modified. So you see green color. Similarly, if I click here, it will show me that this file is going to be deleted. Let's say I will do some more modification. I will go and say I will remove this. If I come here now, I will see three changes, three files modified. So I will let me close everything. I will click on this. You must be in this source control tab. I will click on this, so it's going to show me that in this line 13 of this file, so here it says working tree, which means on the server we see that this is the code, but in the local, here you can use the scroll. In the local this has been updated. Okay, next you can click here and see, okay, what is the change in this file. So you can see, okay, in server we have this change, and here it is this. And if I click on this, which means this file has been deleted, but it is still exists in the server. We can also go and check this, but make sure to check in the development branch, because we are now doing modification in the development branch. And you see a small star. Small star means there are some changes which are not yet pushed or committed to GitHub. It is only present in the local. So in my local computer development branch, I have these three changes. But in the server's development branch, I don't have these changes yet. How can I know that? I can go here and if I click on this file, let's say, I still see here it says 2022. But in my local, the change is already effective. It's gone. In 2022, it's gone. Here it's gone. So now I have to make sure this code goes to the branch here. So how do I do that? I just have to type a message here. Here I have to type a message saying modified some modified code. You can give any message like this is like git commit that when we were doing git commit minus m message. And then you have to make sure to click on this arrow. Once you have done this, click on this, you're gone. So now the changes are done. If I refresh, no more files to be updated. Okay. Now this is done, which means commit is done. But now we have to also push. So be here and right click here. Go to this pull push and push here. So now it will push to development branch. So it's pushing the changes. See. So now if we go and see here, if I refresh it, you will see the changes are gone. It is reflecting the new change. So if I click here or maybe go into the repository level, you see there is a it says development branch had a recent push changes in less than a minute. And this was what was committed. This was the commit number 1 minute ago. If I click here, I can see that this file was modified. This was changed to this. Similarly, in this file, something was modified. Test file was modified to test file modified. And this file got deleted. But remember, these changes are only in the development branch. So test must in the master branch. If I go to the master branch, let's say now if I go to the master branch, in the master branch, I could still see the test2 file, but that is gone from the development branch. You see this? That is gone. So now we saw how to commit and push our local code changes in a particular branch from Visual Studio Code Editor. To summarize again, make sure to be in this tab and then give a message. You will see some files here. Give a message. Click on this one, commit. After it's committed, make sure to click on the three dots and click on push. Once you push it, then it will be pushed to the server. So in the next video, we are going to look at how we can bring this code which is in the development branch inside into our master branch. Let's do that in the next video. Thank you.